Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Robin Levy, CEO of the Jamaica Corporate Credit Union League, which represents 23 credit unions with 1 million members, says the organization objects to a recent Bank of Jamaica decision. The Credit Union League has taken issue with the removal of a clause from the Credit Union Special Provisions Bill that allows them to bypass the commercial banking system when clearing checks and trading in foreign exchange. Levy says the specially authorized credit union clause would allow processing of the transactions done by the credit unions without using the commercial banks as an intermediary. He says to RJR News that this provision is meant to be the first step toward giving credit unions full access to the financial system once the Bank of Jamaica begins regulating them. Business owners have until June 18 to submit applications for retail space in the newly developed Portmore Resilience Park. The Urban Development Corporation project developer is accepting applications from companies and individuals who want to open retail stores in its Portmore Resilience Park, set for completion later this year. The park's main building will be able to accommodate 24 retail shops, 12 on the ground floor and another 12 on the first floor. There will also be 3 wooden kiosks and 2 containerized retail clusters. For the trading period ending June 13, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Alternative energy company Wigton Energy Limited, with 2,743,687 units traded, representing 27.76% of market sales volume. Beverage manufacturer Jamaican Teas Limited, with 1,570,539 units traded, representing 15.89% of market sales volume. Toll Road Manager Trans Jamaican Highway Limited, with 1,149,819 units traded, representing 11.63% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On June 13, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $47.5 million purchased, US $52.2 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.59, selling the US at $159.93 and buying the US at $158.34. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.15 per transaction, with selling at $117.99 and buying at $116.84. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.48 in profits, with selling at $216.61 and buying at $215.13. For our credit report tip of the day, as a founder, your personal and business credit score is more than just a number. It's a powerful lever for unlocking investment and fueling your startup's growth. Here are ways your credit score can make a difference, plus how a coach or accelerator program can help you attract the right investors. So first up, your credit score helps you to get investment because it builds trust with investors as it demonstrates your financial responsibility and reliability. Also, your credit score eases bank loan approvals and increases your chances of getting approved for business loans. Given that running a business is a team sport, in addition to your credit score, getting pitch coaching will help you craft compelling, concise pitches that resonate with investors and highlight your financial strengths. Now, when you're building something from nothing, for professional women over the age of 45, the journey to charging what you deserve for your expertise can feel daunting. especially if you're recovering from a financial setback or have internalized doubts about your value. But you can move from recovery to true financial resilience by discovering what feels nourishing and safe for you. So here are some ideas. Separate your self-worth from your pricing. Understand that your value as a person is not tied to the price of your services. If someone questions your rates, it's about the service, not you as a person. Next, get crystal clear on your offer. List out the unique value you bring and assign monetary worth to each aspect. This clarity makes it easier to stand firm in your pricing. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.